Hi everyone, welcome. So it's been a long time since I've made any videos for this channel. Today I just want to show you how to install Python 3 on Pop OS, which is an Ubuntu derivative. I'm busy studying my computer science degree, and one of my subjects is actually for Python. So what you want to do is open your terminal, then let's just do an update. Sudo apt-update, put in your password, update the repositories and everything, make sure everything's up to date. Then what we are going to do is install the software-properties-common. I know on my Elementery OS that was installed already. I'm not sure if we need it here, so let's type in sudo apt install software-properties-common. Okay, so it's already there by the look of things. If you did not have it, it's a good idea to install this. In one of my labs I actually had to install it. Now what you want to do is add the repo to get the Python version you want. So what you would do is type in sudo, I'm not sure, is it sudo, is it sudo, let's call it sudo, whatever. So add add-apt-repository and then ppa deadsnakes /ppa, press enter, and then it's gonna, I'll tell you third-party modules, blah blah blah, read through everything and say enter to add the repository. It's a bit slow. There we go. Alright, now we can install Python. So I need to install Python 3. I think the latest was 3.7 currently. Sudo install Python 3.7. Press enter. And missing destination file. So install help for more information. It's not liking that. So apt install. My apologies. I skipped a keyword. So it's sudo apt install Python 3.7. I'll put this all in the description of the video. Let's say yes, you want to go ahead. And it will start installing Python 3.7. Okay, so you'll get this progress bar, should be completed very soon. Let's see, and there we go. So Python 3.7 is installed. So if I go Python version, I should see Python 2. As you can see, as Python 2.7 comes with Pop OS, which I'm currently using here. So what you want to do is actually just check your Python 3.7 version, and we just installed Python 3.7.2. Problem is, if you just run Python, you see you will hit Python 2.7. So what you want to do to get out of this is Control D. You want to change the alias. So just type in alias Python equals Python, what was it, 3.7.2, enter, and then just type in Python, and it's not liking that, so Python. That actually worked on my Elementery OS version, so I think I need to change it to alias Python equals Python 3.7. And if I now go Python, there we go. Python 3.7.2, that's the latest release, and now it's your default on your Linux system. Great stuff. Let's see if this works. Let's do a print. Thanks for watching, guys, and there we go, Python 3.7.2, all happiness. Thanks for watching. This worked on Elementery OS, which is also an Ubuntu derivative, and I'm currently making this video on my Pop OS install on my desktop. Thanks for watching, and I will hopefully be a bit more active with videos and articles, but it's been quite quiet. I didn't have anything new to really show everyone. So hopefully with the studies I'll pick up a few things. I should be able to make more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.